Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to set up and use the Gallabox WhatsApp chatbox in 2025. And if you want to automate customers' interactions, manage WhatsApp chat efficiently, and boost your business communication, this tutorial is for you. So of course guys, first thing we need to do here is to identify what is this website. So this website is a no-code WhatsApp Business API platform that will help your business automate conversation, manage chats, and engage with customers seamlessly. So here's why it is useful. So they have their automated chatbots wherein you can set up auto replies and workflows. They have their multi-agent support. Multiple team members can handle chats. CRM integration, so connect WhatsApp with your sales tools, and then broadcast messaging. So this is very ideal for businesses looking to scale customers' communication efficiently. So before setting up this website guys, you will need a Gallabox account. So the paid plans guys required for WhatsApp API access. And they also have their WhatsApp business API number. And next is admin access to your Gallabox and WhatsApp business API providers. You need to have here a provider guys. So right now on this tutorial, we are going to explore this website because I don't have a provider this one. So if you don't have a WhatsApp business API yet guys, you can watch another tutorial on how to have a WhatsApp business API. So on connecting WhatsApp to this website guys, so to integrate the WhatsApp with Gallabox, you just need to log in to your Gallabox dashboard and then there navigate to settings and look for WhatsApp API here. So right after that one is you just need to select WhatsApp API provider, so either Twilio, 360 Dialog, or the Meta one. And then enter your API key, your phone number, and your URL. And there you have it. You can click connect and complete the verification. And then once connected guys, you will start receiving WhatsApp messages in your website. So next is let's create an automated chatbot to handle WhatsApp inquiries. So you can create an automated chatbot here guys. So just explore your dashboard, and on your dashboard guys, you'll be able to see there a chatbots. So click new bot, so you can create new bot and select WhatsApp as the channel. And then there you have it, the chatbot triggers such as welcome message, frequently asked question responses, and then lead collection. So here, gather customers details before assigning to an agent. And then right after that one, you just need to activate to enable your chatbot. So your chatbot now guys is ready to assist customers automatically. And on managing live chat guys, and of course team collaboration, you need to have your inbox and then conversation and then assign chats to different agents or department. You can use quick replies for faster responses and then enable agent handoff when escalation as needed. So this ensures smooth and efficient customer service. And that's it guys. You can also track your performance and your analytics. So this website, they have their analytics, and then you can view your WhatsApp insight, like you can monitor message open rates, response time, and then customer satisfaction scores. And that's it guys. That's a wrap on our Gallabox WhatsApp Chatbox tutorial 2025. Now you know how to integrate WhatsApp, automate messages, and if you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.